Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Canto, Florida. Here we have a fully finished Economy 36, just a beautiful machine, all well laid out, super high quality parts. You cannot beat the price, all stainless header TIG welded. You cannot beat the price. There's no other truck mount out there. We at Blue Baron Truck Mounts Factory are the only factory in the USA that can put out a high quality unit at a price that you can really afford. One thing I wanted to say is you got a quarter plate, which is the same as you would get on a 47XL. The frame base is the same. The only difference is we don't have those big towers that come up in the front panel covering up the bottom part of the truck mount. But as you can see, everything is easy to get to. Even the heat exchanger, super high quality hoses, hydraulic hoses, a outlet manifold, inlet, just everything is just really nicely laid out, super high quality. We have a pump here that can do up to 3,000 pounds pressure, and our heat exchangers will withstand up to 3,500. So that's one of the most important things in a truck mount is, can you get high pressure? Why are you going to limit yourself to an overpriced truck mount that can't get the pressure and the working pressure you need? As you can see here, we've got a 36 blower here. This is for a Gardner Denver. It's capable of 344 CFM, which can get up to 450 feet of vacuum. So you can do 450 feet of hose and still get really adequate vacuum for good dry times. And just everything about this, we got the Honda Predator engine, 670, 22 horsepower, super powerful engine, very well, easily to maintain. It's got a good repair record. You can see we have the control pod right here with the key start and choke. We've got a pressure gauge, and a temperature gauge, and a tachometer, a thermostat. We got last step injection with acrylic flow meter and your primer selector valve. You just have everything here. I mean, why would you want to go out and spend $25,000 for some overpriced, way marked up? You got the middleman's markup, okay? And you're not getting the quality that you would need in order to do the carpet cleaning that you want. You want your customers to be happy. You want quick dry times. As we have got away from some of the stainless braided hoses, we're using higher quality, will not leak, just super high quality hoses. You can see even under the undercarriage, so easy to get to parts. This is just super easy. You can do belt change out in 15 minutes. I mean, everything is just easy to get to the undercarriage, to loosen the bolts. And just everything here is going to make it easy for you to maintain it and operate it to make the money you need to make. Here's your unloader valve right here, all stainless header, last step injection. We have a drain for our water pump. We have a drain for our crankcase oil for our engine. An accessory line if you want 12 volts for your demand pump or for your pump out. We have everything you need here to do the job, do a commercial job. Handsome looking machine, low profile, easy to install. We've got 3/16 thick mounting brackets. Everything has been TIG welded. Just a beautiful machine. Economy 36 will also have the Economy 45 and 47. And usually it's about a 2 to 3 week build. When we start building our pre-framing, it usually takes about that long. I mean, we're putting out the units. We love what we do. We have a passion for what we do. 19-year builder. I've been 46 years in the industry, so I enjoy everything I do. We have a black compact 45 back there being built. Got another unit being built. It's just everything we do is just to the superb, finest workmanship and quality in parts. We, no matter where the economy is, we're always putting out the best quality units that we can possibly build. And so we've been really busy. And you call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. We have CNC services here. We are doing a lot for the industry, and we enjoy it. And we look forward to hearing from you. Again, 727-505-2989, and the 24/7 online store at truckmountstore.com. Thank you.